Here, we will see how text became image, and image became alive, and how image plus text became live video. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about AI capability on transforming text to image, and from image to stunning video, which gives wings to our imagination. Here is a quick example of prompt given to GPT to generate image stating, generate image for transforming colors. Let's look at the sample image generated by given prompt. You can try out to any GPT such as ChatGPT, Copilot, or any other of your choice. This image generated using Microsoft Copilot. This looks stunning, isn't it? Alright, enough build up on this. Let's delve into it with step-by-step demo. It will help you to understand workflow to generate image from text and from image to video. How this text became this. Now, let's go through step-by-step demo so that you can do it yourself. Alright, I am using fal.ai website. It requires GitHub account, but you can use ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot 2, or any other image generator which suit your need. Reason for using fal.ai that it has less restrictions. Let's focus on how to do it. We have divided it into 3 basic steps. It will help you get the basic core logic to write prompt command for desired result. Step 1. Main subject description. Beautiful woman with brown eyes and dressed in a cowboy-inspired outfit, standing outdoors in a city street. Step 2. Main subject's attire details. She is wearing a wide-brimmed cowboy hat adorned with intricate embellishments, a choker necklace with a metallic pendant, and a leather top with decorative details. Her long hair flows down, and she appears to be styled with a sophisticated and fashionable take on Western attire. Step 3. Main subject's background description. The background shows a bustling urban street scene with blurred elements, indicating a lively environment. Finally, now our command is ready. We simply need to add all 3 steps text paragraph and put it in the prompt window, then press enter or run the command. Here in fal.ai an agent is Flux Pro version 1.1. Pricing cheaper here too, that's why I prefer this. Right side to prompt here is preview window to see result. If you want different image size and pixels, you click on more below prompt text editor. Let's run the command, see how does it look like. Alright, here is the first output of our prompt command. Looks amazing, isn't it? If you are not satisfied with your result, you can alter your prompt command, try again. But keep in mind that here in AI generator, everything runs on credit, so be aware of your credit consumption. Next is generating image to video. It will generate visuals only for audio. We need addition help about that, we will talk some other time. We are using haloai.video website to generate. You need to register this, and every day you generate free videos from image using everyday free credit. Now we have image ready. Let's first generate video without giving any prompt. Later, we will check with prompt to see and compare results. Generating on free account is time consuming, hence, let's queue up second video this time with prompt. Creating image basic formula is similar, which we did while generating image from text. For video, basic prompt formula equals main subject plus scene plus motion. Step 1. Main subject. The woman walks forward in slow motion as camera pulls back. Describe your subject action. Step 2. The scene. Wind in the air. Describe the environment of scene. Step 3. Motion. She is looking at the camera. Describe the camera motion. Stitch together to generate prompt command to generate video. Final prompt command. The woman walks forward in slow motion as camera pulls back. Wind in the air. She is looking at the camera. Okay, now we have the final prompt command. Let's copy and paste this in command prompt and click to generate. Remember, last time we initiated without any prompt. Now we are going to generate with prompt. Okay, now we have 2 image to video tasks queued up. With and without prompt command. We let it run. Once it's completed, we will resume with video it generated. We are back again after video generated. Background music added in and video edited, and all clips and effects stitched together in Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope you liked it. Show some love and support our by liking and subscribing for more like this. Bye-bye for now. Hope to see you soon.
That subscribe button and join the AI Advisor community today. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited to learn about, and don't forget to like and share this video with others who might find it useful. Let's explore the world of AI together. Show some love and support. Bye-bye. See you. Until next time.